So I dumped my backpack. I'm going to try to head uphill. That is the hill. Because I'm running short on time. It's getting cold outside. And I just want to get my quads blasted. So I don't know how this gimbal will work. But I'm going to try to sprint uphill. Now! Working properly. Then this will bounce around so much when I do the post edit. So I have 4-pound boots on, designed for winter, and this hill, I forget what the incline is. It's not that bad. However, closest place to my house. Come on. This is where a training partner would be helpful, especially as my legs are burning up. But I gotta get to the top. So, lock the gas in. Oh, whew. That's it. Lock the gas in. Definitely accumulating. Super short of breath. No muscle stitches. Got pain in the belly. Usually over the liver. Feel good. So, just have to do 5 more. Oh. So, that's a resistance sprint. Not only is it a sprint, it's uphill, which will be good because when we go to Colorado, the switchbacks go back and forth to make it a decent ascent, and so that the incline isn't too great. So sometimes as you get to 14,000 feet, 13,500, I had to take breaks at every switchback to the top, which admittedly I didn't train because it was a last minute thing, but I had to do it for my birthday. That's August. That's essentially why I'm picking August for summiting 2 14ers. So if you train with me, then maybe by the time August comes around, you'll be ready. If you train with me and you don't go, hey man, you got other things that you can take off with as far as having conquered the stigma of not being able to continue with the resolution. So New Year's resolutions are usually pipe dreams unless well thought out, which is why I'm going to say come see me at Ignite Your Life 2, February 29th at Endorphin Effect. See ya.